If your home has been sitting on the market for a couple weeks now, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Let's talk about it. First, remove emotion. A listing sitting is not a personal failure. Negative feedback is not a verdict on your home. It's not about your kitchen, and it's not about the memories that you had in your home. It's about positioning. And positioning can be adjusted. But let's be honest. If your home has been on the market for 3, 4, 5 weeks, it's rarely bad luck. It's rarely timing. And it's usually misalignment. So what do? Step 1, audit honestly. Not emotionally, not defensively. Pull the sold comparables from the last 30 days. Not the active ones, not what your neighbor is asking for, the sold data. Then take your seller hat off and put that buyer cap on. Because when you scroll through your home, then scroll through the homes that actually sold, you need to ask yourself, if I were a buyer today, would I choose that house or mine? Are we aligned with buyer expectations? Or are we still priced where we hope to be in 2022? Now, hope is not a pricing strategy. Alignment is. Step 2, evaluate presentation. Open your listing like a buyer would. Do the photos feel bright? Is the home clean, inviting, or is it just average? In today's market, average does not create urgency. If the buyer down the home is beautifully staged, professionally photographed, and priced sharply, and yours isn't, well, that's the answer. Sometimes the fix isn't structural, it's visual. Restage, declutter further, improve the lighting, upgrade your photography. See, perception shifts faster than structure. Step 3, analyze competition. Look at every comparable within $100,000 of your price. Not just what's similar in size, what's similar in the buyer's mind. Ask yourself, are other listings stronger than yours? See, buyers don't evaluate in isolation, they compare. They don't stretch, they select the best value in that category. If you're second best, you negotiate. If you're third best, well, you sit. Step 4, ask the real question. Should we reduce the price? Now, if the answer is yes, then do it strategically. Small reductions that don't reposition the property rarely work because buyers have already categorized your home. If they mentally decided it's worth a certain number, you need a reduction that resets perception. Sometimes meaningful enough to trigger new alerts, move you into a new search bracket, create a feeling of opportunity, not hesitation. And when you adjust, do it quietly. Relaunch with energy, broker outreach, re-engage the agents who already showed it, invite them back. Sometimes the buyers that seen it liked it, just not at that price. So we gotta give them a reason to revisit. Momentum is psychological, and psychology can be rebuilt. A stale listing is not damage, it's misaligned. And when alignment is corrected decisively, momentum can return faster than most sellers expect. Because the goal isn't to defend the past, it's to reposition for the present. And decisive action restores leverage.